Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here are 10 easy ways to earn money online from the comfort of your home, doing what you love. You could start earning money by simply clicking on advertisements by visiting websites, such as clicksense.com, Buxp, and NeoBucks. These are pay-to-click, also known as PTC sites, and require a user to register. Such sites also reward you monetarily for providing them with references. Promoting sponsored social shares. You can benefit from the rise of social media platforms, where organizations across businesses pay you for posting about them and their products. These sponsored posts include posting pictures and talking about company products on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. If you like watching TV, you can make a quick buck by simply watching short videos. All you have to do is reach out to research firm Nielsen, or become a Netflix tagger, to watch content on your device and get paid for it. There are other players like Inbox Dollars, which pay you in cash for watching videos.
Test websites. You don't need to possess technical know-how or skills to earn money as you test websites. You just get paid for spending time on a website and helping the developers with your user experience. You have to provide them feedback on the look and feel of the website and its functionality. For web testing, you can try platforms like user testing, enroll and testing time to earn money. Installing new apps. You could get paid by installing new apps. There are many apps such as ScreenLift, Franzo, Sweatcoin that pays you in the form of points or cash rewards. Playing games. Some sites will pay you money for playing games. These include Second Life, Swagbucks, Lucktastic, and Mistplay. Some of these websites pay you in the form of gift cards and some through PayPal. Have an opinion, get paid. You can earn money by taking online surveys on websites like SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollar. Such sites don't pay much, but you can still earn 50 cents to $3 per survey. Join a focus group. Earn by becoming a part of a focus group or testing brand products with user interviews, focusgroup.com or respondent.io. Selling old gift cards. Bring those old gift cards out of the cupboard. Keep some, but those which you don't want to, sell them online through Card Cash and receive cash back. Selling photos. Do you have boxes and albums full of pictures, the old and the new? You can upload your images to popular photography sites like Shutterstock, PhotoShelter, and Getty Images. The best part is you get paid every time someone buys a photograph clicked by you.